Children, this is Jyoti and I am here to teach you English on behalf of Jyoti Academy. Class 3rd, Chapter 1, Motion gets an A. Children, yesterday we finished the chapter and we solved the exercise of this chapter. And today we will also solve the remaining exercise. Let's start. The names of feelings and qualities that we can describe but cannot see or touch are called abstract nouns. Children's feelings and qualities that we can describe but cannot see or touch are called abstract noun. Let's start exercise. Read the words given below. Circle the ones that are abstract noun. First is honesty. Children, honesty is a feeling, so it's an abstract noun. Circle the honesty in your book. Next one is freedom. Children's freedom. Freedom is also a feeling and it's an abstract noun. So circle the freedom in your book. Next one is hospital. Children, hospital is not an abstract noun. Next is flower. Flower is also not an abstract noun. Next is kindness. Children, kindness is a feeling, so it is also an abstract noun. Circle the kindness. Next one is anger. Children, anger is a feeling, so circle the anger. It is an abstract noun. Next one is doctor and window. These are not abstract noun. Next one is bravery and wisdom. Children, these are feelings, bravery and wisdom. So circle both of these feelings because these are abstract noun. Next exercise is use the word that you circled to complete the following sentences. You need to use only 5 of them. Let's start. Our teacher told us the story of how India got blank from the British. Children, in this blank we will fill freedom. Our teacher told us the story of how India got freedom from the British. Okay. Next one. She said it was because of the blank of the Indian people who were not afraid to fight the British. What we will fill in this blank? She said it was because of the, we will fill there bravery. She said it was because of the bravery of the Indian people who were not afraid to fight the British. Next, the Indian people were guided by the blank of the leaders, especially Gandhiji. Children's, what we will fill there? Wisdom. The Indian people were guided by the wisdom of the leaders, especially Gandhiji. Next, he taught that we should show blank even to our enemies. Children, what we will fill there? We will fill there kindness. He thought that we should show kindness even to our enemies. Next, he also believed that blank is the best policy. What we will fill there? We will fill there honesty. He also believed that honesty is the best policy. Children, these are the Abstract noun, we fill in the blank. This is all about today, and remaining exercise we will solve tomorrow. Thank you.